tree.
And Victoria, look to your right. Hermine. Hermione.
Holy crap.
Neil, just look another tree.
I guess.
The power's out.
Somebody
More
wave that
power
guy
outage.
on. Look at that cone.
That power line though.
Where we going?
The horror.
Look, a lone break.
You don't worry. You served your country well.
Meeting for the
That,
Hermines.
yeah, that tree is there for the grand opening.
Right? Won't you be an antler?
Stop.
Anyway.
That tree. Look at this traffic. Terrible. So this is the only McDonald's open, and the line starts from here all the way down.
Yeah.
And even this McDonald's right here.
What did he say?
And people are even parking over here to walk to McDonald's because it's the only food source open at this moment of time. They don't even have food.
Yeah, that just said that.
They don't have food.
Someone said there's no food up there.
Ooh. Well, all these people are going to be disappointed.
Why the hell is it so backed up then?
I feel bad for whoever who has to pick that one up. Hello, Aqua Crowd, and welcome to another episode of Aqua Victoria. Today I am in Fort Walton, and it is beautiful outside. I am on vacation with my brother who lives here. I'm with my mom. She is the one who went on vacation with, well, she's the one who suggested, but you know, she's the only one right here with me during this moment. We have a lot of interesting things going on for today. I am going to be in Fort Walton for a couple of days, so I will be vlogging a little bit here in Fort Walton, the things that we will be doing. I also brought my cat, Asher. Yes, I brought my cat, Asher. He was actually a doll the whole time because he didn't scratch, he didn't meow, he just slept on my lap the whole 4 hours here.
A big butt, baby.
He was a really good cat. So Asher is here as well. He's not, you know, here with us right now going to places that are fun and eating, but he is at my brother's house and he is enjoying himself on a little kitty vacation. Yeah, I guess I'll be filming what we do in Fort Walton.
And they're at level number 1. Oh boy, and they're hitching themselves up. They do have harnesses on. So boys and girls, don't try this without a harness. That's Tammy in front of her. And they're off. There she goes on the rope bridge. There she goes again. Woo-hoo, there goes Tammy. Oh, she's going first this time. There we go. Look at that. Woohoo! Go, Victoria, go. Eventually up there. Crossroads. Look at that.
Get out of my way! Car's coming. Start.
I'm placing the storm squadron at reserve command. They'll assist in...
Mom.
You done?
Mom.
Yeah.
Butt massage.
Yes. But neck massage. Yeah, my ears are like vibrating.
Alright, so we are done with the arcade. It was a lot of fun. I chickened out on the climbing. I don't think you guys realize how scared I am of heights. I am very petrified of heights. I was like, this is just not gonna work. It was a lot higher than I expected it to be, but you know what? I conquered my fear a little bit, as my mom likes to say. My mom was saying, you know, you conquered it, don't feel bad. You conquered it a little bit. Huh?
Step one.
Step one, I conquered it a little bit. And so that's good, you know, one step at a time. I'm not used to heights. I've always hated heights since I was a kid. I remember they took me on the Tower of Terror. I refused to go on it because it was high, and I knew it was high up in the air. And I was like, no, this is just not gonna work. So
You eventually went on it though.
I did go on it
Once.
once.
It was done.
It was done. That was it. That was it. That what I said, fine, you know what? I'll try it, and that's it. That's all. I just needed
That's
to
right, you
know.
did it.
I could say I went on the Tower of Terror. And that, I guess, was something I say, well, at least I did something. But yes, I am very petrified of heights. And the fact that I did that, people were actually pretty impressed I even agreed to the thing in the first place. Because I hate Ferris wheels, too. Don't get me started with Ferris wheels. But we are on our way back to my brother's house. I don't know. I guess the kids have to go to the bathroom. I guess that's why we're going.
We can get some groceries first, and then they'll tucker it out. They're ready.
Oh, the kids are ready to sleep.
Yeah,
They need a nap.
They've been in the
Sophia
sun.
was getting cranky.
Yeah, they've been playing in the sun. They haven't had a nap or anything.
Yeah, so we had a lot of fun there. That was definitely a good energy
That 14
drainer.
movie.
But anyways, I will see you guys in a little bit. I don't know where we're going later. Aren't we going to a pub later?
We might be going to McGuire's.
We might be going to McGuire's, which is a pub here in
Irish.
Fort Walton. An Irish pub, which I have always wanted to go to.
Yes. It's an awesome
That was Asher's toy. In case anybody was wondering what that
The
squeaky
squeaky
was.
noise
Yeah,
was.
that was Asher's toy. But yeah. We're going to an Irish pub later, so I will see you guys at the Irish pub. Hi.
My name's Nicole. How did she get here? God, it's lovely.
Nobody knew he was there. It was Friday morning. They took me to jail without no right. But I'm counting furlong, twisted town, sure in the middle of it. I folded on you, I folded on you.
That's really good. It's like a smoky taste. How are you enjoying your beer sampler? It'd be good. It'd be good. I'm not getting you. Well, I am. How are you enjoying your dangerous beverage? Enjoyable. Enjoyable? Okay, we'll take it. Delicious? What's it taste like to you?
Dangerously good.
Dangerously good? Good.